Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Gems of Knowledge. Today I am here with a new video on numerical problems of atoms and molecules from class 9. So before starting the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell button to get the notification as soon as I post my new videos. Okay, so before starting this numericals, you need to study few things here, that is nothing but the atomic masses of these elements. Okay, so what are the atomic masses of this element? Hydrogen, first one, the hydrogen, atomic mass of hydrogen is nothing but 1. Second, carbon, it is 12. Oxygen is 16. Nitrogen is 14. Cl, chlorine is 35.5. Sulfur is 32. P, potassium is 31. Zn is zinc, it is 65. Na is nothing but sodium, 23. Potassium, 39. Okay, sorry, this is not potassium, this is phosphorus. Okay, phosphorus is 31 and potassium is 39. Okay, so let's start with the first question here. Calculate the molecular masses of H2, O2, Cl2, CO2, CH4, C2H6, C2H4, NH3 and CH3OH. So I have written all this as it is. So let us calculate here. So what you can see, the first thing is H2. Okay, here H is given how many times? 2 times. Okay, so we will write 2 times 2 into this 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen. So what is the atomic mass of hydrogen? That is 2 into, let's see what is the atomic mass of hydrogen. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So let us substitute the atomic mass of hydrogen as 1. So we will get the answer 2 into 1 is nothing but 2 units. Okay, so next one is O2. So here also 2 molecules of O2 is there. So 2 into atomic mass of oxygen. So what is the atomic mass of oxygen? That is 2 into atomic mass of oxygen is nothing but 16. So here 2 into 16, 16 2s, we are getting the answer as 32 units. Okay, next we are having Cl2. Cl2 is nothing but chlorine. See, this is also 2 times chlorine. So 2 into atomic mass of Cl. So we are having 2 into 35.5. So 2 into 35.5 is nothing but, we will get the answer as 71 units. Okay, next you can see here we are having 2 things, that is C and O, carbon as well as oxygen. So just see, carbon is how many times? This is nothing but it is 1 time. So we will write 1 into atomic mass of carbon plus 2 into atomic mass of oxygen. Okay, so we will get 1 into atomic mass of carbon. So it is 1 into carbon atomic mass is nothing but 12 plus 2 into atomic mass of oxygen is nothing but 16. So we are getting 1 into 12 is nothing but 12 plus 16 2s are 32. So we are getting the answer as 44 units. Okay, next CH4. Since here also you can see 2 things, that is carbon and hydrogen. So here carbon is how many times? Only 1 time. So let us write 1 into atomic mass of carbon plus 4 into atomic mass of hydrogen. 4 times hydrogen is given. Okay, so we will get here 1 into carbon is what is the atomic mass of carbon? It is 12 plus 4 into atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So we will get 12 plus 4, that is nothing but 16 units. Okay, next you can see C2H6 is given. So carbon is given 2 times, 2 into atomic mass of carbon plus 6 into atomic mass of hydrogen. Okay, so here we will get 2 into atomic mass of carbon. So that is 2 into 12 plus 6 into hydrogen's atomic mass is 1. So 12 2s are 24 plus 6 1s are 6. 24 plus 6 is nothing but 30 units. Similarly, you can see the next one. C is 2 times, H is 4 times. So 2 into atomic mass of carbon plus 4 into atomic mass of hydrogen. So here we are getting 2 into 12 plus 4 into 1. So 12 2s are 24 again plus 4 1s are 4. So we are getting 28 units. Okay. Next again you can see here NH3 is given. N is only one time. So 1 into atomic mass of nitrogen N plus 3 times hydrogen. You can see 3 times hydrogen is given. So 3 into atomic mass of hydrogen. So that is 1 into atomic mass of nitrogen is how much? It is 14 plus 3 into atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So 14 ones are 14 plus 3 is given. So 14 plus 3 is nothing but 17 units. Next you can see CH3OH is given. C is how many times? C is 1 time. So 1 into atomic mass of carbon plus you can see H is 3 times here plus 1 time. So we can write directly 4 into atomic mass of hydrogen we can write plus O is how many time? Only 1 time. So 1 into atomic mass of oxygen. So here we will write 1 into atomic mass of carbon is nothing but 12 plus 4 into atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 plus 1 into atomic mass of oxygen is nothing but 16. So we will get 1 into 12 is 12 plus 4 into 1 is 4 plus 16 ones are 16. So you are getting 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 12 is nothing but 32 units. Okay. So you can see the next question. Here. Calculate the formula unit masses of ZNO, Na2O, K2CO3 and given atomic masses of, here you can see they have given the atomic masses of these terms. Okay. So what we have to find? Unit masses. We have to find the formula for unit masses. So here what we have to do is directly you can write ZNO. Okay. What is the formula? What is the atomic number they have given here? Atomic mass number, that is 65. So Zn is how many time? 1 time. So 1 into 65 plus O. Of O how many times? O is how many times here? That is 1 time. So 1 into 16. So what we are getting? 65 plus 16. So what is the answer here? 65 plus 16 is nothing but 81 units. Okay. So similarly you can see second one, Na2O. Na is how many times Na is given? 2 times into what is the number here? Atomic number, that is 23 plus O is given how many times? 1 time into what is the atomic number? That is 16. So here 23 into 2 is nothing but 46 plus 16. So here we are getting the answer as 62 units. Okay, when we add this we are getting 62. Next, similarly the last one they have given K2CO3. So K is how many times? 2 times K. What is the number here for K? They have given it as 39 plus C is given how many times? 1 time. So 1 into C is, what is the atomic number here? C, atomic mass number, that is 12 plus O is 3 times. So 3 into O. O is 16. Okay. So here we will get 39 into 2, that is 78 plus 1 into 12 is nothing but 12 plus 16 3s are 48. So when we add all this, we are going to get the answer as 138 units. Okay. So you can see the third one question here. Calculate the molar mass of the following substances. So first one is given as ethane, that is C2H2. Okay. So here also you can write it as 2 into 12 plus hydrogen is given as 2 times hydrogen, and what is the atomic mass? It is 1. So 12 2s are 24 plus 2 1s are 2. So we will get answer as 26 grams. So molar mass is always written in the form of grams. Next one is S8. So 8 into S is what? What is the atomic mass of sulfur? It is nothing but 32. You can see here it is nothing but 32. Okay. So let us write here 32, that is 8 into 32 will get the answer as 256 grams. Okay. Next, phosphorus molecule P4 is given. It means here you can see they have given us the atomic mass of phosphorus, it has 31. So we will get 4 into 31. So it is nothing but 124 grams. Okay. Next you can see hydrochloric acid. Here what is given? H and Cl is given. So one time H is given, that is 1 into 1 plus 1 time Cl is given. Cl is 35.5. So you will get 1 into 1 plus 35.5 into 1 is nothing but 35.5 itself. So 35.5 plus 1 is nothing but 36.5 grams. Okay. Similarly, the next one, H is given only one time. So 1 into atomic mass of hydrogen, that is 1, plus N. What is the atomic mass of nitrogen? It is 14. So 1 into 14. Nitrogen is 1 time. So 1 into atomic mass of nitrogen, it is 14, plus oxygen is 3 times. So it is 3 into atomic mass of oxygen. So it is nothing but 16. So we will get 1 into 1 is 1, plus 1 into 14 is 14, plus 3 into 16 is 48. So we will get the answer here as 63 grams. When we add this, we are going to get the answer as 63 grams. Okay. Okay, then coming to the fourth question, what is the mass of 1 mole of nitrogen atom? So directly you can write what is the mass of 1 mole of nitrogen atom. Nitrogen is having atomic mass as 14. So it is nothing but 14 grams. Okay. So second one, 4 moles of aluminium atom. So 4 moles, 4 into, so what is the atomic mass of aluminium? It is given as 27. So 4 into 27 is nothing but 108 grams. Okay. So this is the answer. Next you can see 10 moles of sodium sulfite is given. So 10 into multiplication, you keep it as it is. Sodium, Na is how many times here? Sodium sulfite. So this is the formula for sodium sulfite, Na2SO3. So Na is given how many times? 2 times. So 2 times into, what is the atomic mass of Na? It is nothing but, Na is 23. So here you have to write 2 into 23 plus sulfur. How many times it is? S is 1 time. 1 into, what is the atomic mass of sulfur? It is 32. 1 into 32 plus O is how many times? 3 times. So 3 into, what is the atomic mass of O? It is 16. So 3 into 16. So here you will get this 10, the starting 10 will be as it is, into, we will get 23 into 2 is nothing but 46, plus 32 ones are 32, plus 48. 3 into 16 is nothing but 48. So when we add this, we are going to get 10 into 126. Okay. So 126 into 10 is nothing but 1260 grams. Okay. Similarly, you can check the fifth one. What is the mass of 0.2 mole of oxygen atoms? So here what you have to do, multiply 0.2 into the atomic mass of oxygen. What is the atomic mass of oxygen? It is 16. 0.2 into 16, you are going to get the answer as 3.2 grams. Okay. Next, 0.5 mole of water molecules. So you have to multiply 0.5 into H2O. Water molecules. Okay. So here we will get 0.5 into H is how many times? 2 times. So 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen, that is 1, plus oxygen is how much? 1 into, it is having the atomic mass as 16. So 1 into 16. So you are going to get 0.5 into, here 2 into 1 is 2, plus 1 into 16 is 16. So you are getting 0.5 into 2 plus 16 is nothing but 18. So 0.5 is nothing but divided by 2, half. Okay, so when you divide this, 0.5 is nothing half. Okay, so it is multiplied by 18. So this is 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. So it is nothing but 1 into 9 is 9 grams. Or directly if you multiply 18 into 0.5, you are going to get 9 itself. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. If you have any doubts regarding this, comment me down below, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.